If you need to share a Lucidchart quickly and keep everyone on the same page, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to share your Lucidchart document by inviting people directly with email or by creating a shareable link or join ID for fast collaboration. This is perfect for teams, classmates, and anyone who needs to review, edit, or comment on a diagram in real time. If this video helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Let's start with the first method, which is sharing through email or a direct invite. First, log into your Lucidchart account and open the document you want to share. Once your diagram is open, look in the upper right corner of the screen and click the orange Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you can add people to your file. Inside the Share window, you'll see an invite field. Here, type the email address of the person you want to share with, or enter a Lucid group if you're working with a team. After that, you'll want to choose the right permission level. Lucidchart usually gives you options like can edit and share, can edit, can comment, or can view. Pick the one that matches what you want that person to be able to do. If they only need to review the diagram, view access may be enough. If they need to help build or update it, choose edit access. Once the permissions are set, click the invite button to send the request. The person you invited will receive access to the document right away, and they'll be able to open it based on the permission level you selected. This is the best option when you want direct collaboration and you know exactly who should have access. Now let's go over the second method, which is sharing with a link or using a join ID. This is especially useful if you want to paste access into a chat message, a team channel, or a group email. To do this, go back to the Share panel and look for the option that says Get Shareable Link. Turn the link on, then set the access level for anyone who uses that link. Again, choose carefully because link access can be easier to distribute to a larger group. After the link settings are ready, click Copy Link and paste it wherever your team needs it. If your version of Lucidchart gives you the Join ID option, you can also open the 3-dot menu inside the Share panel and look for Enable Join ID. Once you turn that on, Lucidchart generates a 6-digit code. You can share that code with your team, and they can use it to join the document from the Lucid homepage by selecting New and entering the Join ID. This method is great when you want a simple code instead of a long link. It makes it easy for teammates to get into the right document without searching through emails or messages. A quick tip before you go. Always double-check your permissions before sharing. If a diagram contains sensitive information, use View Only or Comment Access instead of Edit Access. And if you're working on a live project with multiple people, make sure everyone knows whether they should use the link, the email, invite, or the join ID, so there's no confusion. And that's how to share a Lucidchart, using email, a shareable link, or a join ID. If this walkthrough helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.